In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on your iPhone. So when you get your iPhone, it's usually the Safari app. So if you want to change that to Google Chrome, it's actually really easy. First of all, you have to download Google Chrome. So make sure you have that app downloaded and you're logged in and everything's right. I have mine over here. So that's just my own Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and make it our default browser. So you want to go find your settings. And you want to scroll all the way down. When you see the apps here, you want to click on the apps and go ahead and find your Chrome app. So very simple. You just want to locate where it says default browser app. So we're going to click that and you see that it's chosen for Safari, and I'm just going to change that to Chrome. So whenever you open a link or a third-party app or something like that, it's now going to use Google Chrome instead of Safari. So that's a quick and easy way to do that. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.